Welcome to Murwillumbah. Let's explore like locals do. If you're feeling hungry, you've got to try the milkshakes at Keith's. They're my absolute favourite. Get ready for some outdoor fun on the Northern Rivers Rail Trail. Next, we've got tons of cool art stuff to check out. Like the M Arch Precinct, and Tweed Regional Gallery. They've even got a painting by a famous guy named Monet. Cool, right? Don't forget to mark your calendars for Wednesday. That's when the farmers market is on. It's the best for fresh produce and friendly faces. Mum, honeycomb! Can we get some honeycomb? And if you're into history, the Tweed Regional Museum is the place to be. Oh, and if you want to stay longer and explore more, there's this cool pink hotel called the Impy. It's right in the middle of town. Definitely ask your mum for an ice cream. Murwillumbah is the best town ever.